Alright, so if you're someone who is always worrying about some or the other thing, then you're surely messing up with your physical health and your mental health. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how to stop worrying and start living. Also at the end of the video, I'll be giving you a pro tip which will be really helpful to you if you worry a lot. So stay tuned. So welcome to the video. Now if you are worrying too much, then you need to learn the art of stop worrying and start living, because worrying too much is gonna kill your physical health, your mental health and your present moment itself. Also, when you stop worrying, you get a different kind of clarity in your mind, and more better the clarity means more better solution to the problems that you are worried about. So to put it in a simple words, if you start worrying about a problem, then you will start creating more problem for yourself rather than a solution. Now in 3 steps, I'm gonna teach you how you can go ahead and kill your worries practically in less than 5 minutes. Now before we move to the steps, just comment below and let me know what exactly are your current worries. Let's move to the steps. Okay, so here is step number 1. All you have to do is grab a pen and a paper, and on the left side of the page, write down all the possible outcome of the problem that keeps you worried. Now while writing it down, just make sure that you are writing down the worst case scenario as an outcome. For example, if you are applying for a job, then the worst case scenario will be you will get rejected. Just in case if you are planning to do a business, then the worst case scenario that is keeping you worried is that you will go ahead and face loss. That's all. Make sure you write down as many outcomes as possible and make sure that you are writing down worst case scenario. That's all for step number 1. Now here is step number 2. On the right hand side of the page, write down the positive action steps that you are planning to take if the worst case scenario happens for real. For example, if you are applying for a job and you get rejected, then what are the positive action steps you can take? One of them is just go ahead and apply for another job. Second option is that you can just go ahead and groom yourself, learn some new skills and then apply for the job. Similarly, in case of business, if the worst case scenario comes true, that is your business is going for a loss, then what exactly you can take as a positive action step? One of them is to shut down your business and start doing job to pay off your loans. In every possible worst case scenario, all you have to do is write down the positive action step that you are planning to take if that worst case scenario comes true. So what exactly you are doing here is that you are creating a solution for yourself that you will be using if the worst case scenario comes for true. And you will be using this solution instead of worrying about that worst case scenario. By writing it down subconsciously, you will be training your mind to think about this solution in the worst case scenario rather than worrying about it. Okay, so step number 3 is keep working towards your problem and goals without giving up on it. Just make sure that your focus is on present and you are working on your problem with complete focus on it. Now here is what exactly will happen. If you are able to solve that problem, then you are good to go. But just in case if you are not able to solve that problem and if the worst case scenario arises, then you always have an option to go to the plan B that you have already designed in step number 2. This is a win-win situation for you in both the cases. Hence, make sure that you are working on problem with a complete focus towards present, because whatever the outcome is, you are prepared for it mentally and you will be good to go to kill your worries. So that's all you have to do to beat your worries practically. That is, write down the worst case scenario that can happen. Write down the positive action plan that you will be taking if the worst case scenario happens. Meanwhile, keep working on the problem by staying in present. That's all, and I'm sure you will end your worries in very less time. Now before I end my video, here is a small secret about worrying. 90% of the thing that you are worried about will never happen because it has never happened in your past as well. Just go ahead and observe your past and you will realize that 90% of the thing that you are worried about will never happen. So stop worrying and start living. So hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and share it with as many people as you can. Also, you can subscribe to my channel for similar videos every week. Make sure that you hit the bell icon once you subscribe so you are notified about my new videos as soon as I upload them. Thanks once again for watching my video. My name is Samir. Until we meet next, stay awesome.